Upwork's May 2026 data shows per-word rates dropped 31% for writers who don't use structured prompts. Right now in 2026, we don't just ask AI to write, we engineer the output. I'm going to show you the 4-step prompt engineering cheat sheet that separates the pros from the writers watching their rates collapse. As of 2026, the approach of typing, "write a blog post about remote work," is officially obsolete. If you want quality, you need a structured framework. Experts are now calling prompt engineering one of the 14 essential AI skills you need for your career right now. The Context Task Constraint Framework, documented by eWeek, is the gold standard. Instead of a simple request, you provide the context. Who are you? The task, what exactly are we making? And the constraints. What are the no-go zones? Generative AI is now automating activities that used to take 60 to 70% of a knowledge worker's time. If you aren't using a cheat sheet, you're doing the work the AI should be doing for you. Before you write a single prompt, you need the right tool. As of 2026, not all AI models are created equal for writers. According to the latest eWeek comparison, Claude is the winner for nuanced writing and following complex instructions without sounding AI-generated. Use GPT-4o when you need logic and formatting and data analysis. Use Gemini if you live in Google Workspace and need to pull data directly from your Docs or Gmail. A pro tip for 2026. Write your first draft in Claude, then ask GPT to critique and format for a spreadsheet. This multi-model triage is how you build an AI operating system for your remote work life. The secret to human-sounding AI is persona prompting. In 2026, we don't just say, "be a writer." We use role-based context. Use this prompt structure. Act as a senior technical copywriter with 10 years of experience in async communication. Your voice is direct, punchy, and avoids corporate fluff. By defining the persona first, you're setting the temperature and tone before a single word is written. Giving the AI a specific expertise level reduces hallucinations and keeps the vocabulary grounded in your specific industry. This takes your draft from a C to an A before you even start editing. Stop asking for the full article at once. The most effective workflow in 2026 is chain of thought prompting. Step 1. Ask for an outline. Step 2. Critique that outline. Step 3. Ask the AI to write section by section. This mimics how humans actually work. When you force the AI to think through the steps, it performs significantly better. Data from the NBR shows that using these conversational assistants can boost productivity by 14%, especially for writers who aren't naturally technical. By breaking the task down, you ensure the AI doesn't lose the thread of the conversation in a long context window. There's a technique gaining serious traction in 2026 called vibe coding. For writers, this means prompting for the structure and feeling of a piece, rather than just the words. Most people get this completely wrong. Wrong prompt, write an intro. Right prompt, write a 3-sentence intro using short, jagged sentences under 8 words each to create urgency. See the difference? One gives the AI permission to guess. The other gives it a precise creative blueprint. Tools like Claude and the latest GPT models can follow stylistic vibes better than ever. They understand rhythm and texture, not just words. By 2027, this will be the standard way we interact with all productivity software. You aren't just a writer anymore, you are a style orchestrator. You manage the vibe, the AI manages the syntax. The biggest mistake remote writers make in 2026 is letting the AI guess facts. You must use Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Use a tool like NotebookLM or ChatGPT's knowledge upload feature. The prompt is, only use the provided documents to answer. If the answer isn't in the text, say you don't know. This dramatically reduces factual errors and keeps your content grounded in sources you actually control. A major priority in every serious 2026 AI writing workflow. This is exactly how I turn a mess of Zoom transcripts and scattered notes into a polished report that is 100% factually grounded. You just upgraded your writing from basic chat to actual engineering. These 4 steps are the difference between working harder and watching your rates drop 31% and working smarter in 2026. Run these steps once, and you'll understand why you never go back to the blank prompt. Next week, I'm showing you the automated research agent workflow that builds my entire content calendar and cuts research time from 4 hours to 20 minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.